Welcome to 217 Cartway. This lovely 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath home with a 1-car garage, covered front porch, rear deck, as well as luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring, granite and stainless steel inside. It's located in the Greens at Longcreek Plantation neighborhood in Northeast Columbia, or in Blythewood rather. Convenient to I-77, Killian Road, and Northeast area dining and shopping, as well as Fort Jackson. So out front, so you have a covered front porch and 1-car garage, stacked stone accenting out front on the columns and around the garage. And you had some faux cedar shingling on the front of the home as well, so nice facade. And as you come into the foyer, notice the luxury vinyl plank hardwood flooring that's throughout the main level and also in the bathrooms upstairs. You have nice wrought iron spindles on the staircase in the foyer as well. In the foyer, right off of the front door, you have a guest bathroom or half bath, the pedestal sink, and nice window out towards the front. You have recessed or flush mount lighting throughout the main level as well, with the exception of a ceiling fan, I believe. So you can see the stairs to the second level there. We'll take a look up there in a minute. You have a coat closet here in the entry hall. And then you can see a nice open floor plan, kitchen, dining, and living space at the back end. And off to your left here, also just the access quickly to the 1-car garage. You can see there is a small 2 mid-size SUV parked in there right now, just for some scale. You can see what size it is. Also where the water heater and the breaker panel for the property are as well. So back inside again, the kitchen has granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. You have a large center island here with a nice deep sink, and you have some bar counter seating as well. There is an included refrigerator, above range microwave. You have a smooth top electric range as well as a dishwasher and white cabinets. In that recessed or flush mount lighting in here, you have a pantry at this end as well. It's a walk-in pantry. Actually, there's a light in there also, so you can see that's a very nice size. So good storage space, open dining room at the back end here, a couple of windows, and there's a door that accesses the back deck, and you can see the living room, which is a nice size and has a ceiling fan. So just quickly out back here, you do have the deck here, so nice wood deck, and then small yard. You can kind of see it goes out to about where that black fence is there. So back inside, take a look upstairs at the bedrooms and baths as we go back through. So you have nice windows in the stairwell as well for a lot of natural light. And then you also have this nice loft desk area or office area. Also could be a playroom up here or just another seating area at the top with 3 nice square windows. You see that space as well. And then 3 bedrooms upstairs. We'll just start here and work our way around to the primary suite. So 1 of 3 the bedrooms, a nice sized closet. There's an attic pull down in the center as well. You have your laundry room on the right side here. Full-size washer and dryer connections, shelf above, and then you also do have a linen closet tucked inside the laundry room into the door that closes that off. Across the hall you have your second full bathroom, double sinks, granite countertops, and LVP floors, and then a separate room at the back end, the commode and the tub and shower with the window. Here's the other secondary bedroom. The closet on the opposite side. And then last but not least, the primary suite. Nice size windows in here. There's a ceiling fan, and then you also have a full bathroom and walk-in closet. So a nice size walk-in, and there's some additional space here behind the door. And then your master bath. The Granite and LVP double sinks. You have a walk-in shower in here, as well as a linen closet inside, and then a private water closet over here as well. And that completes our tour of this home, 217 Cartway in Blythewood. You can find more information online at turnerproperties.com.